Hi guys, it's Cat Aria here, and today I'm going to be seeing what people will trade for a fly ride parrot. So yeah, let's see what people will trade. I guess we'll start off with this person. Let's trade JZX. Okay, so they declined. We'll see this person, Angie, the Beast player. She declined as well. And then we have, okay, she declined too. Feisty Baby Purple Lunu. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we could try B_Sin21. She put a B, then took it away, and she put a croc. A croc, I guess it's rare. Well, it is ultra rare, but I know that's kind of rare to find, but I'm gonna have to say no. But I can put 4 monkeys, even though they're gonna say no. But we might as well put 4 monkeys. Okay, I think they're gonna put 4 monkeys too, or no, 2 monkeys. Okay, we'll see. A full ground newborn for a newborn. Well, I'm gonna have to decline because I put a full ground in there. So, oh wow, we have a lot of things to do for our parrot, but that's not, the point of this video today. But yeah, we'll see what this person trades. I don't think we gave her a friend request, but we could give this person, I don't think we gave her a friend request, if she can, wait for a second for me to give it. But yeah, here we go. XX XX. Okay, she put a penguin and a clown car. I already have a clown car, I see, but I don't have a penguin. So for the penguin, I'm gonna put this, and a dog, and I guess we could put in the drums. But yeah, well, maybe you should take away the drums. If they accept, it will be good. Okay, they're putting in drums, so we might as well put in drums too. Okay, they declined. That's okay. Give this person with the panda a friend request. Not a friend request, a trade request. And they put a ride panda. Sorry, I'm gonna have to decline just because, a parrot is kind of better. Not, I wouldn't say better, because pandas are cuter. I don't know. Pandas are cute, but parrots are cute too. What I'm trying to say is that parrots are more rare and valuable. So I'm gonna have to say no. But I love pandas, but just in adopt me because it's more rare. I'm gonna have to say, well, a parrot is more rare. I'm not making sense, but sure. A princess carriage, I'm gonna have to say no, but I'll put a frostbite thing, a little lemonade stand, and this. But yeah, I'm gonna have to say no. Alright, we're just gonna put in, okay, they're giving us the same thing. We might as well just accept it for fun. Even though they're the exact same thing. But just for fun, we'll accept. Yeah. Okay, we got each other's stuff. XX Anna 935. Alright, we'll see what you put. They're not putting, oh, they did put something. They put a pink cat. I really want a pink cat, but It's not worth a parrot, so I'm gonna have to say no. Dog Lord 167. We'll see what they put. They're not putting anything. A Zeppelian, or whatever it's called, balloon. I'm gonna have to say no. But just because, they're not pets and they're not valuable that much. Because, they're not even legendary toys. So yeah, I'm gonna have to say no. Magic Wolf. Fly Ride Panda, Fly Ride Griffin. Okay, they took away the panda. So yeah, I have to decline. But I want to see if anyone has a pink cat, because I kind of want to offer for it. So pink cat. Oh, wait, I have to say if you have a pink cat, say ABC. You have to decline that just because, we are doing a video. But if we weren't doing a video, I would definitely join the family. That isn't the greatest trade, so I'm going to have to just put my drums in. My little steel drum. That's uncommon. So, we'll see what people will give for a pink. Well, what people have pink cats or blue dogs. But I'm gonna have to say pink cat because pink cats are, I guess, less valuable than a blue dog. I think. I'm not exactly sure. Alright, so they're giving us the same thing as last time. Again, I'm gonna have to just put in my drums. Oh, excuse me. Sound a little weird. But yeah. Put in our steel drumsies. And, okay, decline. And, okay, they put a kangaroo. It's a Fly Ride kangaroo. A car. A tiny convertible. A double stroller. And a ginger. I'm going to have to say no, but the kangaroo is very cute. And the ginger cat. Holly underscore LOLXX is trading with someone else right now. I don't know how to pronounce that. But yeah, let's just put in. Okay, same person. We just have to decline. We'll see if people have pink cats. I know someone did in a trade we did, but I don't know, maybe they don't want to trade that. But pink ABC, if you have a pink cat. Holly underscore LOLXX. Fly Ride crow. I used to have a crow, but then I traded it for a queen bee, and I traded the queen bee and some other stuff for an owl, and I traded the owl and some other stuff for the parrot. So I don't want to really go back a few steps, even though a crow is really good. I'm just gonna have to say no. So a few people said ABC. Posse, another trade request. Posse. A red panda. I'm gonna have to say no. Even though it's an ultra rare, I'm gonna have to say no. But I will put in, because I really want a pink red panda, I'm gonna have to put in these guys. But yeah. We'll see if they accept. Okay, they declined. We'll see if people have pink cats. If you have pink cat. Oh, if you have a pink cat. We're going to have to decline that trade because I already know what they're going to put. So we're just going to decline that. So this person has a pink cat, I think. So we're going to say, what do you want for it? What would you like for it? they say. Okay, they're not saying anything. But let's say, if anyone, ABC, you have a pink cat. I don't know why I'm going after this pink cat, but I always wanted a pink cat or a blue dog, and I feel like a pink cat is, the one I could get. So why isn't she saying, okay, Sonia Love, she has a pink cat, I think, maybe. She has a dog, to decline. So we're gonna trade with Trash Newbie, and if she has a pink cat, well, she'll put it. If not, well then, why did she say she has one, I guess? Well, okay. Wait, what? I don't know what she's saying. Let's say, okay, Trash Newbie. You have a pink cat. We'll give you, I know this is a bad trade, but we're just gonna give them 4 monkeys. Are you sure you have a pink cat? Because she's not even putting it in the trade. I'm confused. Okay, she's following us. What do you want for the pink cat? And we'll see what they put. Alright. Anything? Wow. I feel like half of the video is going to be trying to find a pink cat. But, that's okay, I guess. Okay, so they're not saying anything, and I'm just gonna have to... Why is there candy corn on the ground? Oh, that's what it does. I've seen people in like TikTok wanting these things. Oh, we get to have the candy. Oh, great. I'm taking the candy because I don't have food in my inventory. So I'm going to have to take this candy. Well, no, give me the candy. Give me the candy. I really need the candy. Candy, 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 candy. Alright. We'll see what they have. A golden rat. I'm going to have to say no. But I will put in that, and that. And they declined. I want to see what the candy looks like. Oh, they're just lollipops. Okay. Alright, they're just lollipops. That's okay. Oh, another person with a parrot. Cool. Well, I guess we didn't find the pink cat we were hoping to find, but we did see some cool trades for my parrot. Anyways, thank you guys for 14 subscribers. That means a lot to me, and for 722, I think, followers on TikTok. That also means a lot to me. I hope you stay safe in quarantine. Make sure to follow all your state or city's guidelines and rules. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And yeah, this person wants to give me my wolf. I'll see that trade after the video. But yeah, bye guys.